Welcome back. In this section, we will explore at a high level different types of networks. This is not an exhaustive list, but it covers the most common types you can find in virtually any organization. Those are local area network or LAN, wide area network or WAN, virtual private network or VPN, Internet and Intranet, cloud networking, and IP networks. These networks types play pivotal role in the daily operations of nearly every organization. I will simplify several technical concepts in the coming lectures because I want you to grasp the main concepts. Let's start with the LAN. The local area network, or LAN for short, is a network you come across every day at home, work, or school. It's simply a network of computers, printers, and other devices within a limited geographic area, such as an apartment, small office, or a single building. LANs are designed to allow high-speed exchange of data among the connected devices. Let's look at some of the main features of LAN. So when we talk about LAN, the following characteristics are discussed. The geographical scope. LANs cover relatively small geographic area, typically confined to a single building or a cluster of nearby buildings at best. The goal is to provide seamless communication and resources sharing among a group of people who belong to the same home, company, or organization, and they abide by the same rules when it comes to using the network. High speed. LANs have high speed. They often reach gigabit speeds. This allows for swift communication between devices, supporting applications such as file sharing, printing, and collaborative work. Also, typically, you can use as much data as you can without paying for consumption. Resources sharing. One of the primary purposes of LAN is to facilitate resources sharing among connected devices. This includes shared access to printers, files, databases, and other network resources. A simple example is if we have a small office of 7 employees and 1 printer, without the LAN, we would need to connect the 7 computers to the printer or unplug one user and plug another one every time someone wants to print something. Ease of management. LANs are designed for relatively easy management. Network administrators can efficiently monitor and control the network activities, they can implement security measures, and they can troubleshoot issues in a localized environment. One of the main reasons for this is that the network typically has ultimately one owner or administrator only. Now, let's look at the main use cases of LAN. The LAN has a lot of use cases depending on where they are deployed, but we can summarize some of the main ones as the following. Internet access. The LAN provides access to the internet, allowing connected devices to access online resources and services. This is done by the router you have at home or office, for example. File sharing. The LAN enables you to share files and resources among connected devices. And thanks to LAN, you don't have to put a file on a USB flash drive so your colleague can get a copy of that file. Centralized printing. Printers connected to the LAN can be shared among multiple users, allowing them to print documents from their devices. Collaboration tools. The LAN supports collaborative tools and applications. A simple example here is the office telephony or soft phones you have in many offices today. That's all for now. As we progress through the course, we will encounter more LAN networks in different examples. See you in the next lecture.